Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews on products that matter to you. Today, we're diving into one of the best wall clocks designed specifically for kids, the Oyster&Pop Learning Clock. If you're looking to help your little ones master the art of telling time, stick around because this might just be the perfect addition to their room decor. Let's start with what makes the Oyster&Pop Learning Clock stand out. Designed by teachers and parents, this 10-inch wall clock is more than just a timepiece, it's an interactive teaching tool. With clearly labeled minute and quarter-hour hands, it makes learning to tell time easy and fun for kids. What I love about this clock is its silent analog movement, ensuring no distracting ticking noises. Plus, it's crafted with a kid-safe acrylic face and operates on just one battery, which makes it hassle-free for parents. The design is not just functional but also visually appealing. It comes in a vibrant multicolor scheme, perfect for brightening up any kid's room or play area. And it's packed in a fun gift box, making it an ideal choice for birthdays or special occasions. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Beyond its educational value, this clock encourages independence and responsibility in time management. It's a great tool for homeschooling environments or classrooms, where learning is made engaging through its interactive design. Many parents have praised its ease of use and the way it helps children grasp time-telling concepts quickly. It's rated highly for its noiseless operation, accurate timekeeping, and the clarity of its numbered face. Whether it's for setting up a daily routine, teaching punctuality, or simply adding a splash of color to a room, the Oyster&Pop Learning Clock is versatile and functional in various settings. So, if you're ready to enhance your child's learning experience with a fun and practical time-telling tool, click the link in the description to get your own Oyster&Pop Learning Clock today. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.